Welcome to working day 7 of my 365 working days challenge. This is learning day 6 and today was not about learning just one skill. It was about moving forward in every part of the system that I am building. As you already know, my ultimate goal is divided into 3 income streams: full stack web development, a tech focused YouTube channel and affiliate marketing. And today I continued working on all 3. So let's see exactly what I learned today. Income stream 1: full stack web development. My first income stream is full stack web development and this is divided into 5 phases. Phase 1: front end. Today I continued my HTML learning. I started with classes and IDs, then moved into checkboxes, Textarea and select elements. After that I learned about iframes and video tags. And finally I explored different video controls including controls, height, width, loop and autoplay. So another HTML lesson is complete, and the good news is that I am getting closer to finishing the HTML foundation and moving deeper into HTML5, one small lesson at a time. Phase 2: backend. For the backend, I am currently learning Python. Today's lesson was about expression execution. I learned how Python handles strings and numbers with different operators, how concatenation works, how arithmetic operations behave with integers and floats, and how division, float division, and remainder works. For example, I learned that normal division produces a float, while float division gives the closest lower integer value. It may sound like a small stuff, but these small concepts are exactly what build a strong programming foundation. Next, I will move deeper into Python commands. Phase 3: project creation. Now came something more practical. Today I created my Notes app project with the help of AI. I created the project folder and 3 main files: index.html, style.css and script.es. Then I used ChatGPT to help me generate the initial HTML, CSS and JavaScript structure. After connecting everything together, I had my first basic version of Notes app. But this is not where I want to stop. The next I will continue the creation of weather app, and this time I want to focus more on building it manually and understanding every part of the process. Phase 4: web design and freelancing. In my 4th phase, I am learning freelancing. Today I explored Fiverr from the basics. I learned how to create an account, explored the platform, looked at the Become a Seller section, and understood what a gig is. I also studied how Fiverr works and explored the different parts of profile customization. The next step will be more practical, that is creating and optimizing my first gig. Phase 5: extra skills. And finally my extra skills phase. Today I continued learning WordPress. I studied with Zam and then learned the basic process of downloading WordPress files, creating a database, installing WordPress and finally accessing the WordPress admin panel. For now, this was mainly an overview. Next time I want to perform these steps practically. Income stream 2: tech focused YouTube channel. My second income stream is a tech focused YouTube channel, and this also has 2 phases. Phase 1: content creation. Today I continued learning about visual creation and recording. The goal here is simple: learn how to turn what I am learning into content that people can actually watch and understand. Phase 2: editing. For editing, today's focus was thumbnail creation and editing. I practiced creating a new project in CapCut and importing my images. Then I learned how to use overlays, customize cutouts, adjustments, and text. These may look like simple editing techniques, but together they help create a much more professional visual. Next, I will move toward audio editing. Income stream 3: affiliate marketing. And finally my third income stream is affiliate marketing. This also has 2 phases. Phase 1: affiliate skills. Today I learned about running Instagram ads. I am still at the learning stage, but the goal is to understand how paid traffic can eventually be used to promote products and offers. Phase 2: social media skills. And in my social media skills phase, I learned about creating an Instagram ads account and understanding the basic setup required before running advertisements. Again, I am not trying to rush this. First, I want to understand the system, then I will start applying it. So that was working day 7, learning day 6. And if there is one thing I am realizing from this challenge, that is building something big does not happen in one day. It happens when you keep adding small pieces on the system day after day. Today I added another piece. Tomorrow I will add another one, and eventually these small pieces should become something much bigger. The journey is continuing. The next videos will be more practical, more focused, and closer to the real execution of these skills. So if you want to follow this journey from the beginning, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you want to watch Working Day 6, the 365 days challenge, or learning more about this channel, check the videos appearing on the screen right now. This is only day 7, the mission is continuous.